Fashion. What do you think of when I say the word? For me, it brings out an array of images, visions of different colors, textures, styles, and trends. I think it does the same for you. However, these images, although fundamentally very similar, is completely different in each of our heads. So, does fashion mean something completely unique to each individual? Maybe. Did I get you into deep thought? Well, before you do that, let me give a small introduction. Hi, I'm Dhrubani Mishra, an assistant professor here at Inspiria Knowledge Campus. And today I'm here to give you a very small brief on what fashion design is and how you can become a fashion designer. Well, let us first address the two main keywords, fashion design. What does it mean? Well, basically, fashion design is the storytelling behind the clothes that we wear. It's basically a blend of art, science, and commerce that comes together to create an expression of who we are as people. Now that we have established what fashion design is, how do you become a fashion designer? What are the different requirements? And what are the different career opportunities if you do choose it as a career? Well, let's start with the small question, who can become a fashion designer? Fashion designers require a very specific set of skills. First of all, they must be creative, very creative in fact. They should have good powers of imagination. Secondly, they should have good powers of visualization. They should be able to think of different colors, textures, and patterns. And finally, they should be good with their hands, which includes sketching, drawing, sewing, and even measurement taking. So now that we've established the set of skills, what is the eligibility criteria? Well, I'm happy to let you know that any student, once they've passed out from their class 12s, can come into this course irrespective of their streams. Apart from just students who have just finished their 12s, if there are undergraduate students who've just finished their course and have done their graduation and are thinking about changing their specialization, can also come into this course. Now, since we've established the eligibility criteria and the skill set, let's come into how to become one. Well, in the market today, there are different options that you can choose from. First of all, there is the degree course, which takes around 3 years. Then there are diploma courses as well as various short-term certificate courses as well. But if you want my advice, I would definitely suggest the degree course. First of all, because it takes up a duration of 3 years. In this course, you get to learn a lot more. You get to learn different methods of garment making, pattern making, different cuts, a brief history of whatever fashion industry has gone through, as well as you can learn the entire process of executing your own ramp walk and exhibitions. So, now that we know about who can become a fashion designer and how to be a fashion designer, let's talk about the most important part of this problem. What are the career opportunities that you can have as a fashion designer? Well, I'm happy to let you know that fashion is a booming industry. Did you know that the global fashion market holds up to around 3,000 billion US dollars? That's a huge chunk of the world's GDP. As a fashion designer, you can have various national as well as different international opportunities as well. There are big brands that recruit fashion designers in bulk to work in their design studios, workshops, and even in factories. Apart from that, even at a national level, the film and television industry also requires a hefty number of fashion designers to come work for them. And who knows, if you play your cards right, you can even open your own boutique and create your own brand name as a fashion designer. Apart from all these opportunities, if let's say a graduate doesn't want to become a fashion designer, there are other career opportunities that they can branch into as well. For example, they could become a production manager, they could become a retail manager, or even a costume designer. So I think I have covered all the important points that were crossing your mind regarding the stream of fashion and whether or not to take up fashion design as a career. I hope all the information I've given you today will help you to make better decisions for your own future. And in case you have any other queries regarding fashion design and your opportunities of it as a career, you can just drop your comments below and we'll get back to you soon.